Hi everyone, welcome to Timescribe. Today, we're doing something a little different from what I'm usually doing on this channel. We're going to be doing an unboxing, the first ever unboxing I'm doing on this channel. And it's also going to be the first Pagani Design watch I've ever had a chance to look at, hold, feel, touch, and just experience. First of all, this is not a paid review. I've not even received this watch for free. I've got this with my own money during the recent sale. This is actually a watch. I will give you a clue as to what it is. I paid $26 in total for this watch. Fantastic, right? I wonder if any of you know what this is. This isn't a new watch. It's been out for a little while. And we're gonna have a look and see what it's like. So let's get into it. First, Pagani Design unboxing. Well, I was in for a little awakening when I opened the package and I saw the box had been damaged and everything, you know. But hopefully the watch inside is okay. Then I don't really care about this box. The box, it looks okay. Hopefully it's protecting the watch inside. So let's open it up. Ooh, it's quite nice. A bit of faulty sort of experience. I wonder what this is. Oh, it's some booklet. Okay, sure. An unsigned warranty card, guarantee card. I'm not sure about that, but whatever. We've got a nice little cleaning cloth, it looks like. It's not the softest, but it's okay. It's okay for what you get. But let's see what we actually came for. And this is the watch right here. It's a nice little foamy cushion over there. And here is the watch. And my oh my, it does look good. For a $26 watch. It looks stunning actually. Wow, I'm really quite surprised. Okay. Ooh, I can already see some blue AR coating over there just flashing away. And so for those of you who don't know what this is already, this is the Pagani Design PD1654. Okay, it's got a 40mm wide case, a 20mm lug width, and I don't know how thick it is actually. Let's just get the calipers out and give it a quick test. I'll go over all of this in the full review though. But wow, 11mm. And you're probably asking yourself right now, how can you get that for that price? How can you get an automatic in a case like this, a design like this, for that price? Well, it's not an automatic, it's a Quartz Movement. It is the VH65 from Seiko. So, as you can see, the second hand is ticking away there at what I believe to be 4 ticks per second. So it's not an automatic, it's kind of a mecha quartz. My first experience of a mecha quartz as well, and so far it looks good. Let's just get the watch set up to YouTube reviewer time. Ooh. It takes a bit to get the hands into the right position. It winds really slowly, but it doesn't feel too bad. It feels pretty precise. And there we go. Wow, lovely, isn't it? It's got a nice high polished case. Actually a signed crown for your money. I might have to get that off. And this lovely piece of, I believe, mineral crystal. It's not a sapphire crystal. You can't be expecting that for $30. And the case back, it looks good too. Ooh, there's a... Come on. There we go. Nice. And there we go over there. Pagani Design Sport 1654. I'm not so sure about the sport, but you know, whatever. All right, so there we go, guys. The PD1654 Pagani Design. It's on a nice decent feeling leather strap. I hope it's genuine leather as it says over here. We'll find out more in the full review. Decent hardware as well. It's actually really nice. It looks really good. Alright guys, but that's it for this unboxing. Full review coming, well, I don't know when. I have a few videos on the back burn, so let's see when it will come out, but hopefully not too long. Anyway guys, catch you next time. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you. Bye.